Margi okinyi makawuono anno kanyo ka Fred Matiang'i dhi nyime kod twak gi sani wawinjo na ka giloso.
And consultations before we start our day. I would like to also thank you for the wonderful work you have continued to do and communicating what we are doing here as we are moving around, especially the meetings that we have had in this part of our country. And we continue to engage. We are going to be out for the next 2 days, today and tomorrow, to meet with members of the public and engage the public on a number of issues which my colleagues are going to speak about. Secondly, I want to sincerely thank my colleagues in the United Alternative Government for finding time to be here, and let me take this opportunity to convey the sincere apologies of our colleague, the Honorable Martha Karua. You know, she's on the Kizza-Besigye case. She's in Uganda because of that matter, but she will join us. She's coming back today. There's an event around that. We hope that by God's grace, she'll be able to join us later today as we go to the second leg and third leg of this meeting. Thirdly, I want to sincerely thank the leaders of the Gusii region, the ones who have been here. We have had a strong team and technical committee, first of all, coordinated by the Honorable Janet Ongera, and a huge number of leaders across the board who have planned and worked with us jointly together with our colleagues in the United Alternative Government to stage this tour and this visit. And we are very grateful for the work that you've done and you continue to do. Together with the aspirants and the others who have been involved in this, we want to tell our grassroots leaders that we are totally together, we hear them, and will continue to work with them as we engage with our people. I want to say thank you to our elected leaders, our two senators, the Senator of Nyamira, the Honorable Kongo Mogeni, the Senator of Kisii, the Honorable Richard Onyonka, who have been essentially the co-hosts of this tour as we have been moving around and the work that they have done. Together with the elected members of parliament and their colleagues, because you see, we have a lot of elected leaders from the rest of the country who have had time to be here. You saw yesterday the senators who are here. Senator Methu is here today, and a number of others, honorable members of parliament whom we are going to introduce. You'll see them, see Honorable Jane Kiara here and the others. We are very grateful that you have found time to be with us as we moved around and as we are engaging the people of this part of our country. I'm grateful to the party leaders. All our parties are in the United Alternative Government. We have national officials of the DCP, we have national officials of Jubilee, we have national officials of WIPA, national officials of PLP, and we have national officials of PNU and many other parties that are here. The party leaders of PDP and the party leaders of Kenya Social Congress. We have national officials of DP, who are, and then DAPK, who are here. I'm sorry, Mheshimiwa, I forgot. We have had national officials of DAPK who are here, who have been with us. The party leader is here, and Honorable Natembea himself was also part of us yesterday. Finally, I need to say before we start off today's press event that Governor George Natembea, who was with us yesterday, is out on a function he needed to have, and he will join us as soon as he finishes the function in Trans Nzoia. So welcome everyone to this press conference by the leaders of the United Alternative Government. We wanted to highlight a number of issues that we think are important for the country to know. So I will start off by saying this. We are here because we want to interact with Kenyans and wananchi of this part of the country, and also to give hope and assurance to our people, both here and at large in the nation, that we are determined and ready to work together to bring about the necessary change to our country. In doing so, we don't have personal grudges with people. We are basically doing what we have to do. We chose democracy as a people, multi-party democracy. What that means is that everyone has an opportunity to engage, and everyone has an opportunity to participate and persuade people along political lines. It is very sad, some of the things that we are seeing here, where people want to use violence as a means of political intimidation and so on. Some of my colleagues are going to again talk about that in some level of detail, but we have to condemn this. This is lower than primitive. 6 decades after independence, we cannot lose lives because we are trying to help certain people survive in their political offices as it is. We need every life. One life is one life too many. Let's ask our leaders. Political differences are fine. We don't have to agree all the time. And when we do not agree, let us execute them with a measure of decency. We don't have to kill people. We don't have to send people and so on. Some of the people that I'm told were involved in this are even young people who have been hired and recruited from even outside of Kisii and Nyamira. And then they have been brought in for this particular purpose. How can you turn against your own people? Because I don't understand. I find it difficult to call these people leaders. How can you turn against your own people? How would you want to kill your own people? And there's no crime they have done except that they have expressed a different opinion from yours. So we want to ask our brothers and sisters in leadership, let's be decent people. Let's get some work done. Let's have a conversation. And let us allow our Wananchi to make a decision on how they want to go. We are confident and we are sure about the things we understand this country very well. There is near unanimity in this country, as you saw yesterday, all the way from Narok, Bomet, and all the way. There is near unanimity in this country. Our colleagues in the administration have not performed, they have not delivered on their promises, and it's time for them to do a decent thing. And the decent thing is to prepare themselves to go through a democratic process that replaces them so that the Kenya can have a government that they can work with and they can respect. And in saying so, we are not committing crime. We are citizens of this country who love our country. We want our country to succeed, and we want our country to succeed and operate in a frame of efficiency and decency in the manner in which we go forward. So we urge all our leaders, even those who do not agree with us, that is fine. Persuade the people. Yesterday when we were in Karoka, and this is the last contextual thing I'm going to say, I said this, that you can actually, even come here and live here. If you wanted to live among us, we are very welcoming. You can come and live here. And if I may say something small for the local vernacular stations, umugambi bw'ensi n'abasani baye nabwato busibole gocha agorobole moiga gache nyomba ga ararororo amenyo aragerega kira lituko aronyore getande sakorara erata rega chichiru chitakwa n'abantu bitonyegata gitu. That is it. Egekugara ondeta yotokani no n'abantu ba UDA kumuranye mutagete gocha komenya gusini nchimomenyega numugambe n'abantu bitongora lakini mubaza kuita abantu baito uita abantu baito here is not acceptable. Nakumukia abana b'abantu obatumenga bachiko salime sangikano y'abantu elinde bachiko itwaroro ekine ndotanya ari uitabera nazini nenda abantu baito bagusi ndota kitigenteke nende buno to kwane sabala ina abantu bande ayana mangana mabeto tata to deal with gatole meranie tokole siasa no boronge no buya namasikani buno toko gendera kuchibusyo nejikora n'abantu babwate tali umuntu obwate to kwane n'abantu abangora namasikani and then toko gendera kuchibusyo lakini ko chiko salime sangikano y'abantu nende tigante